Hi everybody!
Thanks for checking out Blissful Basics.
This is Kori.
And this is Megan. Should we tell them what kinds of things we like to talk about? Yeah, we should!
We like to talk about home decor
And fashion.
and DIY projects
And just about anything on a budget.
a very small budget. Teeny tiny thing. Because I run a small home business.
And I'm trying to balance 5 part-time jobs. You know how broke we are? Very.
Super.
Now let's each take turns dancing in front of the screen.
Okay.
Subscribe to our YouTube channel to see all our new videos.
And follow us on social media to see behind the scenes footage.
Thanks for stopping by.
See you later!
I think that's good. I think that's probably the quickest we got something. We're also Canadian.
Do it again,